but there we go. Oh. Shots fired. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Luke and we are here in a very dark and wintry Plymouth. There is another car meet here and it is hosted by one of the OG car meet hosters, so it should be a good one, but we are also expecting the police, so let's get to it. Oh, I love the graphics on that. Go on. There we go. Oh, now he's talking dirty to us. Well, hey, we got a selection of arrivals. So first we got the BMW. Yes. Then we got that nasty diesel. She's doing us away. Oh, lovely. Oh, another wave. Go on. The Celica do Celica things. Oh, yes. Oh, but there we go. The talent comes back. There he goes. Whoosh. Oh, it's Bash. Missed that. Oh. DC5. Lovely. Go on. Oh, what a legend. We've got a van with neons. Nice. Oh, it's crackling, boy. Go, go, go. Oh, we got a Ford Mustang GT500. But first we got the Civic, then we got that. Oh, Glanza. Here we go. Oh, he's got a red glow. There we go. R33. Beautiful noise. Well, hey, yeet. 350Z or Z. Oh, well, he's a bit loud. They're both loud. There we go. Evil Wagon. Suzuki Leona. Oh, hello. Oh, hey, pink underglow from the BMW E46. Oh, yes. i30N fastback. Here we got the diesel. The question is, are we going to get covered in the diesel? No, we're not. We've got blue neons there on the Audi. I'm almost sure that's the Fiesta with the police sirens, but so does the R33 as well. We do have flashes in the meet. Okay, so we got a wall zone down there. Here is one of the few DC5 Integra Type Rs we've got at the meet today. Look at this Castrol Jaguar. Very, very nice. Really do like that. I think it's a bit brave to have on the Jag, but either way, I think that looks nice. It pops and matches with the white. There's another angle of it. Beautiful machine. A magnificent looking Audi right here. Got the gold rims there, looking really swish. But just pay attention to the purple that this guy has on this machine. There's a front of it as well. It really does pop this colour. It's better actually that we're on this side of the car because it really does show it off. Oh, someone's happy to see us. Here we've got a BMW E46. Rims are looking swish. Just going to go to the rear of it. And look at the size of those exhausts. Of course, it's got purple neons as well. Quite liking that. That's quite the machine. I sense some competition here. Here we go. One of the best cars here, in my opinion, is the Coyote GT500 Ford Mustang. Just look at this. Just gonna go around it ever so briefly. 5 litre goodness, if you don't mind. Quite simply a mega machine, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. Diesel. Oh, batty boy. So there is some questionable evidence in the air. sounding absolutely evil. Yeah. Did you know that you can save 15% at KleanKut Detailing when you use our code MOTOR15? If you want your vehicle to look the best it's ever looked, and I'm talking showroom quality, then KleanKut Detailing are your guys. Link and code down below in the description. Go check it out. Okay, so that was the end of being inside the car park. Not much really went on, but yeah, sometimes that's just how it goes. The police were anticipated to turn up at this meet, so people took it easy. But we are here on the roundabout, our usual place. So let's film some exits. DC5, cracking machine. Absolutely nailed it. Volkswagen Polo, yes. Oh, it's a Golf. There we go. Oh, that's loud. Got a A45. Screaming Jeff in his RS. The turbo sounding absolutely beautiful. Oh! And there goes a Micra. So the only decent Vauxhall you'll ever see. There you go, what a work of art, VXR Monoro. Subaru boy. Okay. Oh, E46. Well, hey, go on. Oh, that's loud. Oh. Swiftly does it. It's safe to say VTEC was engaged. Oh yes, go on. Hyundai i30N fastback, absolutely going for it. Diesel. He's been nice to us this time, he's not sprayed everybody. The freshest MX-5 you've ever seen. That looks mint. Oh! Hold ya! The kids are asking him to do questionable things. Oh, he's doing questionable things. He's burning them up with a small little wheel spin. And there he goes. Listen to this. Oh, there we go, burn out. Go on, son. Here we go. Retro boy. Civic's giving it all the noise. There he goes. And there goes the Fiesta. Pop, pop, pop. There he goes. Oh, hey, goes a flash. We love that. A load of smoke. Yes. We got our friend Bash here giving us a flash, giving us all the lights. There he goes. Beautiful stuff. Oh. And the nastiest sounding diesel you've heard in your life. Uh-oh. Oh, it's another Golf. That is zooming. It's a Golf. Ooh. They all love the ooh. Shots fired. Here we go, another Civic. K20 goodness. Oh, it's an MG. Well, that was a little bit loud. Oh, we got drum guy. Okay, 5 litre V8 goodness, here we go, Ford Mustang Coyote. Jesus Christ! What the hell is in that? Yeet! Cure cars, it's going for it. Just going for it. Oh my god. I think it's safe to say he showed his mate how it's done. Oh, he bloody is. He's going. Impressive. The fastest panda you've ever seen. Oh, diesel. There he goes. It pop, it grows. It's a Clio. Look at that. Mental. Sounding nasty. Look at the neons. Go on, Sad. 370Z or Z. Yes. Giving us the beat. Okay. The evil wagon doing evil things. There goes Ileana. There goes his mate. The sound of that! Absolute diesel. Easy treacle. Well, he tried. He's got neons. He's brightening up the place. VTEC boy. We've got the Fiesta's thinking about it. Is he, isn't it? Or isn't he? He is. He is. Drone guy knows the facts. Has he stalled it? He stalled it. Come on, mate. Uh-oh. Someone needs to call the RAC. I think it's dead. The Golf doesn't want to be waiting. Everyone's giving it a push. Go on, lads. Wow, wow, wow. That was fun. Anyway, GTD. I bet he feels gutted. Well, hey, here goes our meaty motors. Go on. There goes the VXR. Oh, yeah. So they are pushing the broken down departed. There he goes. Powered by humans. Love it. Do you guys remember in one of our last videos where we recorded this? The sound of this. Absolutely. The loudest Mitsubishi Fuso. Here we go, we've got a Civic departing. And he's gone. Don't quite like that. That's quite clean, that. Nice. Oh, what a lad. The loudest face. Oh, yes. I love the way these ghosts scream. Oh, yes. All the lights. The feds is over there doing loud things. Love the paint colour on this. Oh, it's diesel. Alright, treacle. Oh, Renault. Yes. Here we go, got an Integra 85. Love that. Type R. Go on, mate. Oh, he's going. Oh, a resident drifter is back. Go on, mate. Is he going to do the one-wheel peel? Yes, yes he is! And there he goes. Oh, hey, oh, yes. There you go, look.
Sorry, that's going to make a lot of reviews.
Oh, he's going, oh!
A few moments later.
The winner is me.
That's Diesel. Well, hey! Oh, we are getting the flashes. Here he comes. Oh, hey. Here he comes, it's a Glanzer. Yeah, boy. Oh no, he's broken down. Go on, lads. You are, go on. Yes, it's a micro. He's come back. They're gonna get him the res. Oh, that's not a res. The micro do be back. Here it comes. Yes. Go on, son. The control he's got is quite immense. Here we go, look. The premium of drifters, the best you've ever seen. The angle. Yes. BMW's back. And there he goes. And then the Fez just tries to give it a go but can't keep up. And that is the end of this eventful car meet here in Plymouth at Marshmallows. If you guys have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a like, share it about, and if you are new around here, then do subscribe and yeet the bell notification. But I've been Luke, this has been another Plymouth car meet, and we will see you at the next one. Goodbye.